4 metro stations will be closed as the centre tries to stall Arvind Kejriwal's dharna outside the Home Ministry. The media too has been banned from entering the area to report on the protest. Meanwhile, security has been beefed up in the metro stations, and as advised by Delhi Police, Patel Chowk, Central Secretariat, Udyog Bhavan and Racecourse metro stations will remain closed today till 1 p.m. The interchange at Central Secretariat will continue, and controlled exit of government employees from the Central Secretariat will be allowed after checking their IDs. Our correspondent Ankit Tyagi is still with us. Ankit, if you can just give us an idea of the kind of security measures. We understand that besides these metro stations, being closed till 1 p.m, what other security measures have been put in place? Because this is something that, the government really, the Home Ministry also has to look at very, very carefully, because in view of Republic Day, the parade, all of that is happening as well. Plus the Chief Minister's, staging this protest right now. So what other security measures have been put in place?
Well, extensive security arrangements have been put in place for this unprecedented dharna by the Chief Minister of Delhi. In fact, Section 144, as we have been telling, has been clamped down all in the entire North Delhi district. Apart from that, the road leading, the Rajpath from India Gate leading towards the North Block and the South Block, the Home Ministry and other sensitive ministries are there. That has completely been barricaded. The media coverage near Vijay Chowk, that is a usual spot, has also been banned. Delhi Police has also put in a large number of policemen outside the Secretariat. In fact, paramilitary forces have also been put in place. What we have learned from our sources in Delhi Police is that the Chief Minister, if he goes with a convoy, if he goes with people, he will not be allowed to go towards the North Block. He will be stopped either right outside the Secretariat or probably outside, just outside the at ITO near the Delhi Police headquarters. But of course, it will be a very unprecedented situation. If I can ask my camera person Subodh to pan once more, these vehicles that you see are the escort security vehicles that the Delhi Chief Minister now gets when he is in the national capital. All of them are ready to roll out with the Chief Minister. All these police officials are also from the Delhi Police. Unprecedented situation. They have been, one section of the Delhi Police have been assigned to secure the Chief Ministers. Other will be assigned to, to prevent him from going to North Block.